guys, we have a iPhone 8 in phone. No image. Another repair. Time to get this done. Let's test it. I would presume this could be knocked off components. It's been worked on before already, but these days you win some, you lose some, yes? Let's switch to microscope camera. Turn it off. Let's see if we get a little image. Is it? No. No. Can you see it? Yeah, look at that there. So you see, no backlight actually. So it's a no backlight, not a no image. So the technician that did this kind of misdiagnosed this problem. Gonna take off the screen. Check to see what's going on here, bro. See right there? It's burnt out. Essentially desktop view. And let's check to see what exactly is burnt out and get it fixed. So, iPhone 8. EB. This is like a Qualcomm. Let's scroll down. So the resistor says PP display backlight anode. Backlight anode, and if you check on backlight anode second pin 4.476. Let's get my bent tip tweezers and finish this fucking repair. This is gonna be a very easy one. Seconds. Get my trusty micro. Yep. 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 And it's working, and we have touch. And yep, it's very simple, very easy. A bit of advice: always try to observe always be mindful that some repairs that you get may be very simple. Others, hella difficult. But that's part of the fight, that's part of your day, that's part of being a board technician.